Hey friends, if you wish to open a PowerPoint presentation on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So it's not very difficult. Search for PowerPoint in the Windows search bar and open PowerPoint. Okay. And then to create a presentation, you can either select a blank presentation or you can select one of these templates. Okay. Whatever you prefer. If you're selecting a template, then you have to click on create. So this is one thing. To open a presentation that already exists, you will have to click on, okay, first of all, I'll show you by saving this presentation. So click on save, select a good location, okay, and then we will name it as basic and then I'll click on okay. Now, here are ways to open this. First, I will close this and then to open it, right click on it and select open if PowerPoint is already mentioned here, else click on open with and then select PowerPoint. Okay, you can also select other applications, but if you want to open it in PowerPoint, then this is the method. And the other method is to click on File, select Open, select Browse, or if you want to open it from some other location. Okay, and then you can select the location and then click on Open. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.